How to activate Citi Group Debit or Credit Card. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can activate Citi Group Debit or Credit Card. The first step is to open up any web browser. Now you want to search for citigroup.com. On this page, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here you have different options such as About Us, Businesses, Our Impact, News, Investors, Career, and My Account. You want to tap on the drop-down menu of My Account. From here, you want to tap on the very first option. On this page, the first thing you have to do is log into your account. For that, tap on the Sign On option. On the login portal, first enter your user ID, then enter the password. If you want your user ID to be remembered, check the box that says Remember User ID. Do not select it if you are using a public computer. Now tap on the Sign On option. In case you have forgotten your user ID, tap on the option of Forgot User ID. If you want to reset your password, tap on the option of Forgot Password. If you are new, tap on the option of Register for Online Access. Once you have been logged into your account, tap on the option of Services or My Profile. Then click on Card Activation. Now select your card name for activation. All you have to do now is follow the on-screen prompts and your card will be activated. Citi will send you a notification via SMS and email. Card status will be immediately changed on your Citibank online after the activation. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.